Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Say 2 weeks remand yedema na na hu hi no aso. Na ensemo a yaso ate ene se ende wo mo ekọ court. Na ensemo ekosi wo court no na yede bremo. Not much to say because yama enkrofo enra courtroom ho. If you say ensem bia na judge no wo kan eye ne kre. Now, and there your first time or has subscribed and click the notification bell no and no another screen so no. You best answer at as the time is going on. Now, this particular story, the they say you best answer every the comment a free Ghana for her amamo na munya mu hu de eko. Inti no assembly ni na and say na hu hi ye nim say say what da a year remand for 2 weeks and then so ye inti and then ye dey no echo court. Court are granting the bail. Na bail na ye man no. You are granting a bail of 30,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties. Sureties, you say one person and now one surety, and you will be a 7 bank account. No, he should be having more than 30,000 Ghana cedis, 30,000 Ghana cedis or more. Now, nini name no, you catch na when he say, and there. So what to me yeah, no we possessive bail conditions no before 5 o'clock. Not to say and then you be releasing in our coffee. Now so emu eya den man na say you are granting the bail mom now so Saturday and Sunday still wobel police for custody because I was say what the omitted bail conditions near the back court na judge na etena so ansana when he na releasing na say won court say me aga na mra eteno so mo be kaya say nansenya embra wo bi nim so you granting a bail of 100,000 Ghana cedis check accounts award here den wo fi police custody into bail condition and let's say you granting bail na na say ye ja omu say kodabi you really have to meet the conditions before but when he is also say woni me nkrofo say the TV station no ye djuma wo ho no kan is also say nkrofo bi be wo ho a wo mo ebe meet bail conditions ya wo mo be ginemu amane because they are supporting him. Now, asem no say when he buy no what can mu you see corona wo course a what dey ewuo sebe eto Reverend Obofo so no sa corona so emumu nipa bi ebae ana wo mo ntia se when he be bo mu din chese nsem bebre Reverend Obofo nankasa so he wasn't around but ono so ne sympathizers and na sorry for bi mo ebae wo mo ebe witness na ya ma wo bia enra ya ma journalist ene nkrofo enra courtroom ho because asamual judge na ekan ene say asem na ye di wo social media dodo na obedi mi adanse ye se hu ehi ene Reverend Obofo nsensem wo yende na we kan papa bebodua ende na we aba be yina no edrese asem ne de si aba be dane social media fight na asem we work court na still ye nam social media na ye say no judge ne say ye nim ye san so beti na social media na ye no say bi ma wo be chill for contempt nti asem ne de judge na ma strong warning into one man crofo amba courtroom ho but the yatse and say after all this bill ni we na asem na nkasa no e be sha ase on I think say next month August around 26th or so and na asem na nkasa e be e sha ase into nsem a ededa ho no hu hi bill conditions and whatever no that is the matter and then bomoko kwota esi ya yenso yede ebremo Ghana for bebe etre wo mo adwen e wa asem we ho it will just be unfair say you be report asem we na yen ready Ghana for adwen entre mo please be minded asem no sisia no judge na ma warning say muguso na still mo kan e wo social media ene ho hi wanye ho hi wo yeye ene wo yeye wanye wo yeye ye bu ne fo ne ye we na it will amount to contempt of court. You be to me actually for contempt. Into yesre, let's be guided in the comments we pass from now on. Endra, any and then ya adia nama we say Sir John will free mu ya and Dre chi yet story no. Endra, any and then ya no. I've been watching his videos now. Me hune video ba kubia wako 2012 election petition say muni amoka 2012 election petition no Sir John Eko kekan say bi wo radio so a ye chain for contempt na ye chain for contempt a wo be dina judges for nenim no obe hu ne say chale utumi say Sir John no ne judges no wo mo be ye tipenkro na so say ne ye kasa Sir John nenim no na afi wa dane akola breko pe ewo judges n'anim o wadane akola preko pe ye kasa n'anim se penyi a wo yese na afi wadane akola ewo judges n'anim wa ye mmobo sei se John na n'anim se wo kasa pan no it's contempt there unhwe ya aside se John na ye chi ne contempt no eye hopsinadoye ono nso saa same day na ye chi ne contempt ono nso hopsinadoye aye ne aye nim se be ma pan mu na afi wo nso adane akola wo judge te se saa contempt no ye chi wa wo ye hwan nti yasremo if you don't know how serious it is and your friends are beka and the Reverend Obofo wo kun nipa no and the when he ye we yasremo don't be passing those comments. Now it amounts to contempt. Asem na kwa ko di court ebedi asem no yenji ne chinenje nti omo a wo mu ko bubo dia and the when he wanya hwe and ye bu ne fe ne ye bodua no ni nina no ye betumi ache mo for contempt to e wo say spiritual matters ye fan court but that action you are doing no you are doing say who declare and I work as a nipa kono when this abone ni ntia na wo bodua no it when his family and Reverend Obofo's camp yes remo this time around asem na court from next month ye be sha say ye di asem no court if you feel say you are right ne krebia wa asem ni mu nina e beba abonten because we are in this country in Crawford the same to Crawford so ye di omo court at the end of the day ne kre a e wa asem ni mu nina e ba abonten so if you feel say who he is right let's wait for the court processes and proceedings. If you feel say yeah, they are sent to Reverend Obofo so I train court no it is isia no mesremo nti asemo e da hono no now send me din country no let me just try to read some comments from Ghanaians for you guys and then let's see what's going on. Obi say people in abroad can talk about this issue because we can't get arrested. Nti when Ghana ni ono wa abrochi no ye ka se contempt no say ono wa abrochi nti obetumi akasa fa nti ye ntumi nche no asemo a Ghana ni wo ye mentality wo ye mentality o say ono de o wa abrochi nti obetumi aka safa asem ne ho nti ono de ye ntumi nche no for contempt Ghana for ya so odin o me no I don't know the law processes or way but minim say ni name no still you I don't know minim say obi wa abrochi no kasafa ho a ye betumi ache ne bako no for I don't know anything about that. So if you ask me that particular question I don't know. I'll advise you because me name hwe fa ho. Em say a lawyers for no ene betumi a kire yen saa de ni mo ankasa. Asem a say nipa ko we can obi nso say that's true. That's why I always say my mind. Inti won Ghana for mentality. Obi say, I will send Interpol to you guys there. Asem a obi nso can. Okay, Obi say we love Nana Huehi and his kingdom. Jesus is the truth. Satan is a liar. Father of all lies. May the truth prevail. Okay, asema obi kanu. Obi also say the battle is for the Lord. Inti they say me comments be say na me peno. Member pass comment say and the court aka say yenye we but still ye be massa. Membe ye obi aso mba be yeshio. So comments like the battle is the Lord no na yati say yes we jemu amanyankopon. Asem no sisi akwa do court. Ye den kra na next month ye sha ase. From next month ye sha say ye di asem no court. Still when the bonibia and this is a warning to who in his family. Momo fan say as we are ye king to umbefa ho abodia ye ni yetu omufo yesremo court e na ahye sa asem na court na kasa asem no e na ye ka tremo because wo koka se wo si so abobidua wo gidi say unipa kro ni nti a wo bodia no unipa kro no ono ondi bonibia ye but asem no akwa akodu court na be tre. After court ruling, you have the right to come out to say that be court ruling ni ebia say ni say na court so. Inti yentwen na court asem no enye den enken wie. Asem a ana efutu a medebe ma ho yin family no no. Obi say now who say we for not talk about the issue. We go talk till the issue go off on social media. Hey, asem what will be can know. Media, these comments I'm reading, I'm issuing this disclaimer. The comments I'm reading are comments of people. They are in no way ours, or we don't align ourselves to the comments of our spectators and the comments of our viewers. It's yesremo. It's a cause for mutia. This is not our platform now. Yeah, can't those comments. We are just reading on social media, random comments, spontaneous comments, and then it comes and then we read as it is. na comment ni bi no ma filter bebre because nsem ni bi a wo mo keka no utumi unu nse chale contempt asempa but ya yiyi bi ayeden efrim. Obi say bail is the process of procuring the release of an accused person from legal custody. In order for bail to be granted, the accused person undertakes that he or she would be available at such a time and place, blah blah. Okay, obi na obetre bail in sensem ase. Obi also say thanks be to God. Inti na hu hin sensem ni na na mede abremo no. Montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo tie for me da ase.